Welcome back, guys. The guy does everything fun here, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing / review on this Mystic Smoke from Houdini Magic. So here's the whole package. It was $5, and so I'm going to open it up here. There we go. Got it open. Here's the instructions. So, yep. Then here is the tube of stuff. It's really gooey and ugly, and it smells really bad, and it's very sticky, and it's very, very hard to get off your hands if you're washing your hands. So, here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze a little bit out onto your thumb. Leave that much. And then you're going to put these two fingers together. Just going to rub it around, just like this. Then you're just going to go like this. Ooh. Just keep doing that, and you'll get your results. Yeah, so that's what they say is a smoke, that's stringy stuff. Yeah, it's kind of cool, but not really. But yeah, bye guys, see you next time.